Look at that, it's just been standing here and the diesel's just coming out of it. It's crazy. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are back on the Volvo V40, and yes, I've also bought a XC90. That is a project on its own, but anyways, on this Volvo we have some issue with the diesel leak and the engine mount and just general maintenance stuff. So let's get to it. So to start off with, we've got a fuel leak on the Volvo, diesel leak like I said. So I bought this new pipe. I tried to mend the previous pipe and it just wasn't holding up. And then also replacing very expensive O-rings. It's tiny, it's very tiny. And then an engine mount, which unfortunately the supplier sent me the wrong one, so I have to send it back, so that won't get done in this video. But to start off with, let's get to the car. So as you guys know, I normally don't really film stuff on these type of cars. I've done before where this car broke its cam belt. That was quite major, but I thought, wow, what the heck, I don't post that much content anyway, so let's just do it. So this little pipe here, that's the one, and there you can see that's where I tried to mend it, but it's still broken and it's leaking very slightly, but it's filling this whole V section here full of diesel going onto the gearbox, going onto the floor, etc. So it stinks like diesel. Don't think it's much of a fire hazard because the exhaust is right here, it's leaking towards that side, but still it is still a hazard. So I'll be taking off these little clips, and then that's quite easy to do. I'll show you guys. And this is the engine mount I need to, well, replace, because it started leaking right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's actually, once it breaks, it just leaks out an oil and it paints the whole car purple. But unfortunately they sent me the wrong one, so I can't do that today. But let's get to that little pipe, and then overall clean of this all engine bay. Gotta take off the cover on the bottom side and just clean everything. So I just want to show you guys, so once these tabs start breaking, or like this one that's right here, then they don't really go down and seal and clip on that straight anymore. So I've got two broken tabs on this one. I tried to mend this one, nah, just replace it. It's about, for the guys across the pond, it's about 25 pounds. The guys in South Africa, it's about 1,000 rand. So it's not that big of a deal. Okay guys, just to show you that once you remove this, just make sure this tab is all the way up, and then once you've actually clicked the black part in, then the green tab, you just click down and that's perfect. And don't forget to put it back into the return fuel line. So that's basically it. That was, well, 2 minutes. So let's give this engine just a thorough clean. Let's take off that guard at the bottom and then clean that on its own because it's full of diesel, and clean the engine bay using my paraffin gun and some Prepsol, so it will degrease it and it will be good as new. You guys, this thing is just drenched in diesel. It's not good. First want to get this engine mount, and this car's not going to drive for a week, so it's fine. I can just park it. At least the engine is quite clean now at the moment, and the cover I just clean on the side. It's fine. The splash guard was crazy full of diesel. As you guys could see, as I'm washing, the diesel mixes with the water and creates like that white liquid that you saw. So it was quite crazy. But I'd like to thank you guys, and I'd like to ask you, if you don't mind and you do like the content, you want to see more, and you want to see more builds like the trailer, that XC90, and whatever comes across my path. I've got some tools that's coming up that I'm going to build. I'm really excited about. So I'd like to ask you guys, if you do think that you want to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button now. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Keep safe. Cheers.